It's not about perfect, it's about effort. And when you bring that effort every single day, that's where transformation happens. Shout out to my big Auntie Bisala Majestic, for creating this group to start this weight loss challenge.
Hello guys, I'm so excited today because in the last 3 days I joined this group. There's one of my big aunties, my acquired big aunties, Auntie Bisola, shout out to you. Yes, she decided that we should go for this no sugar challenge for about 2 weeks, and we started about 3 days ago, and today is the fourth day, and I thought I share this beautiful moment with you guys. Yes, it's been awesome, it's been amazing, because weight loss journey is not easy, but sometimes when you come together to do it as a group, the motivation is there. Then you're able to motivate each other, and you'll be able to struggle and do it, because this weight loss journey, I tell you, I've been doing weight loss for all my life. Everybody that knows me is like, I'm always on top of my game in this group. So I'll be showing you the challenge that she has put up and what the do's and don'ts that we have to do. So guys, welcome back to my channel. This is AJ of Honey's Kitchen and Lifestyle. You are welcome. Yes, you're welcome. If you're new here, please endeavor to subscribe to my channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, yes, you're welcome, guys. I love you guys. I like the energy you bring onto my channel. Thank you. I love you. Eshe Goni. Thank you so much. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate. And leave a comment for me, any whatever you feel about this video. So let me show you guys what the challenge is all about. The challenge is called No Sugar Challenge. So I decided to stick it in my kitchen to constantly give me a reminder that I am on a no sugar challenge. So you can see no white flour, no sugary things like sweet biscuit, chocolate, ice cream. Do's eat plenty of vegetables, meals in portion control, reduce red meat, increase fish, eat more berries, fruits, and fruits in moderation. Drink 1.5 to 2 liters of water every day. Try as much as possible to do the, do your exercise, 10k steps, or even 50k per week. Wash your face twice a day, and use a good face moisturizer. So I mean, it's such a beautiful challenge. I've been in it for this is 4th day, like I said, and it's been awesome. But yes, so let me show you guys what I got. Please, you need to watch to the end to see the outcome of this recipe. It's really nice. So guys, let me show you guys. This is what I got from the store. I got pak choi, spring onions, green beans, sweet pepper, sweet corn. I've got a mushroom, carrot, and I've got coconut milk here. I'll be showing what I'll be doing with the coconut milk. So guys, stay tuned and let me show you how I will be cooking this recipe. And I'm going to pop my sweet corn in it, and the coconut milk, and I'll pour in more water, salt, and we cover to come to a boil. So let me get other vegetables ready for my stir fry. So guys, you're welcome back. My vegetables are now well sliced, and I'm ready to start frying. So I've squeezed the lemon, and I've also added garlic and onions to it. So let's get right into the cooking. So my frying pan is hot now, and I've got my sesame oil here, which I'll be putting pretty much more sesame oil, then a little bit of some vegetable oil inside. First, I will be frying my so I will then be adding my mixed pepper. The oil was too hot, it even splashed on me. So with that frying, I'm going to add my carrots. Look at the way I've shredded my carrots. So I'm going to leave this to fry for about 5 minutes. It's just for the pepper to get soft. I'll add my onions, my garlic, my spring onions, and my mushrooms. At this point, I will be adding salt and some of the condiments which I will like to put inside. So hold on guys, let me get my condiments and start adding. So here I've got the rosemary, my paprika, basil, my crushed Knorr, some salt to taste, and now we stir. So at this point, if you want to add some like pepper, you can add to it. As at this one, I don't want inside rather, because it's in the night and I don't want to eat too much pepper before I go to bed. So my vegetable is getting soft. Now this is the time to add my pak choi. Pak choi, they are Chinese vegetables. They're used for their chow mein, mainly used for their stir fries. Yeah, so you don't need to really chop them because they get soft so easily. Guys, you can see what I mean. So this is my lemon juice which I will be adding to my stir fry to get. Guys, you need to try this if you are trying to lose weight and you don't. This is quite filling. You want to lose weight and you don't know the kind of vegetables to eat. I mean, vegetables is very, very good to lose weight. There is no amount of vegetable that you eat that will make you put on weight. With this, I'm just gonna have a little portion of this tonight, and then some avocado and some sweet corn, and I'm good to go for the night. So guys, continue to stay tuned. Please, if you are watching me for the first time, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel, and put the bell on to notify you anytime we drop a new video. Thanks guys. Continue to stay tuned while I will be rounding up the video very, very soon. Sweet corn is ready. It's definitely ready. Yeah, this is ready. I will now be plating it and you guys will see the scrumptious food I'm having tonight. This is a well plated food. So I've got my avocado, I've got my vegetable stir fry, and I've got my sweet corn which I earlier cooked in the coconut oil. So guys, I hope you're loving it. So if you want to lose weight, if you're looking for something, some recipe to motivate you or inspire recipe to lose weight, jump on this and I'll tell you, you'll thank me later. So guys, thank you so much for watching this movie of mine. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to write a comment for me down below. Let me share your thoughts with me about this recipe. If you're going to be trying it, if you like it, if you don't like it, what don't you like about it? What do you like about it? Please let me know in the comment section. So till I come your way again next time, take care, stay safe, and God bless. And you know what? My challenge is still going on. I will still bring another recipe for you guys on this matter. Take care. Bye.